Okay, today we're pretending it's Thursday, but it's actually Wednesday, which is like going to the future, which is cool. Number one says, first of all, the directions say a card is drawn from a deck of cards 1 through 10, and a number cube is rolled. So there's cards, 10 things that happen. In a number cube, the number cube, there are 6 things that can happen. Now, you're going to have to go in order. What's the probability of getting the card 10 if I pull out my cards 1 through 10?
60.
No. Well, absolutely. But I got to do both events separately, show my work. How many cards are labeled 10 in the deck 1 through 10? Morgan? 1. 1/10. Rolling a number cube. Getting a 3 is 1/6. Now, anytime I have the word and, multiplication. 1/60th, I'm done. I'm going to go straight down here. Now, this is hard. Prime numbers. You might want to cheat. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. Those are my little cheater list off to the side. On a deck from 1 to 10, how many primes are there between 1 and 10? Should be 4. How many primes are there on a number cube when I have 6? Notice now, the bottom number is going to be a 6. How many number cubes am I going to have on a die will be prime? 4. Now, you want to reduce right away? Absolutely. I'd reduce 4/10 to 2/5. I reduce 4/6 to 2/3. If I do that, I'm not going to have to work that hard. Oh, I got a mistake already. What do we got? There's only 3. Thank you very much. I included the 7, and the 7 never works on a die. So go 3/6. So now, I have 2/5 times 1/2. Cancel out my 2's. My probability when I cancel out my 2's will be 1/5. I'm going to win that game 20% of the time. That's it.
What's the first number by the one?
I should have 2/5 because I had a 4/10. What about 2 numbers less than 4? 2 numbers less than 4. How many numbers are less than 4?
What's the next number after that?
1/2. 2 numbers less than 4. I have deck of cards 1 to 10. How many are less than 4? 3. A die with 6. How many are less than 4? 3. I'm going to reduce 3/6 to 1/2 right now. Encourage you to reduce any fraction as soon as you can. Can I reduce anything between the 2 and the 3? No. The 1 and the 10? Nope. It's going to give me 3/20ths. We're going to keep clipping here. Go over to here. Same exact thing. I have a deck of 1 through 10 and a number cube up to 6. What's the chances of getting both of them even? How many even numbers are there on 1 to 10? 5. How many evens are there on a die? 3. Now, don't do 5/10 times 3/6. What's 5/10 reduced to? 1/2. 3/6 reduces to 1/2. 1/2 times 1/2. 1/4. No, you're multiplying. What's the probability I get a 9? 1/10. What's the probability I get an odd on my die? 3/6. What do I reduce 3/6 to? 1/2. If you can reduce it before you write it, do that. If you can reduce it before you write it, do that. 1/10 times 1/2, 1/20th. Circle it. Now, you're going to get this worksheet tomorrow, and all you're going to do is you're going to have the direct ability to copy it down. Probability that 2 numbers are greater than 5. How many numbers are greater than 5 in a deck of 1 through 10? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5/10. You know what, though? I ain't writing 5/10 anymore. What am I going to write? I'm going to write 1/2. How many numbers are greater than 5 on a die? On a die. 1. 1/6. Answer's a half. Oh, 2 times 6, not a half. 2 times 6 is 12. 1/12. Now, go to here. Way harder because you have to read this section extremely carefully. I have 4 red, 6 green, 5 yellows in a jar. That tells me there's 15 in a jar. They're saying they're pencils. Each time I select, I don't replace. Now, the hard thing between last week and this week, you have to understand that you have to, the first time I picked, I'm picking 15. So, red, I'm going to have 4 15s times yellow. How many yellows are left? How many yellows are left? Really can't zoom in. Kind of, a little bit, but it's going to get blurry. We'll try.
There's only one yellow.
No, how many yellows are left? You're wrong. Matty Hyde. 5. Now here's the part I got to teach you today. It said not replace. 15 pencils down to 14. Now, reduce before you multiply. This is our 5th and 6th grade math. 5 becomes 1, 15 becomes 3. Divide by 2, I get 2. I get 7. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 7 is 21. I'm running long on the video, so I might cut it off in a second here. Probability of 2 green. How many greens are in my bunch? No, greens. Gotta look right in there. Right here. I have 6 green. 6 out of 15 times. Now, it says it's not replaced. So when I take 1 green out, I don't have 6 anymore. I have 5. 14. So I'm going to slide that over just a bit so you can see. Do your reducing. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Divided 2 into here. I get 3 7s. Now, this is like cancel-palooza. Please understand that the 3 and 3 here can still be canceled because it's the top number, bottom number. Cancel, cancel, your answer is 1/7. I'll get to the whole front page except number 10 because I don't want to go to past 8 minutes on this. Probability of a green and a yellow. Green are 6 of them, 6 15s. Yellow, 5 14s. Green, 6 15s. Yellow, 5 14s. Now if you take a look, that's the same problem you just did, right? Because wasn't it 6 15s, 5 14s? You cancel and do that on your own. I can sneak in my next question then. Red and green. Red, got to go up to my directions. I have 4 of them. 4 15s. Green, I still have all 6. 6 14s. I should be able to reduce a bunch. Divide by 2, I get 2 and 7. Divide by 3, I get 5. Divide by 3, I get 2. How come I can't reduce the 2 and the 2 here?
There's side by side.
Yeah, they're both numerators. This answer becomes 4 35.